So for section 1010, we're gonna find the surface area of a cylinder. So before I just start plugging in numbers to the equation for the surface area of a cylinder, I want us to think about it for a little bit. So remember when we did the surface area of a triangular prism and we found the area of each shape and added them up? Well, this is exactly where this equation comes from with these. So if you notice, we have two circles, we have one on the top and one on the bottom. So we need to find the area of those and add it to, notice that if we were to make a slice down the middle and unfold, it would be a rectangle with height 16 and then, or I guess it would be length, height 16, and then the length would be the circumference of the circle if you were to unwind it. And remember, the circumference is 2 pi r. So if you notice, we have 2 times pi r squared, and remember pi r squared is the area of a circle, and there's 2 of them. So that's where that first piece comes in. And then we add to it base times height of the rectangle. So our base is the circumference, which is 2 pi r, times the height, which would be 16. So let's just go ahead and plug in our numbers. Now that you know where the equation comes from, let's just go ahead and utilize it. So we have the surface area equals 2 pi times the radius of the circular base squared, so it would be 4 inches squared, plus 2 pi times the radius of the circle, which is again 4 inches, times the height of the cylinder, which is 16 inches. So, I'm not going to do all the math this time, but if you plug in everything into your calculator, you should get 502.4. And then notice we're going to be in inches squared, because if you square these inches, you're in inches squared, and then inches times inches is inches squared. And when you add inches squared to inches squared, you're still in inches squared. And that's it.